Okay, what is good, people? My name is Victoria and this is my channel. Thank you for joining me here. So basically, cat's out the bag, the deer is out of the trap, the secret is out of the place. Yeah. And I basically did something quite drastic to my head. Drastic for me. Drastic in the sense that I thought I was going to do this in a couple of years, but I decided to do it now. So yeah, so as you can basically tell from the title up above, I locked my hair. I decided to do a DIY. I actually got help, which you'll see in the video, but I'll explain why. Don't feel the pressure to do everything DIY if you know it's going to mess up your hair. Just don't play games. I was very particular about how I wanted it to look. So if you're interested to see what on earth I've done under this bonnet, please continue to watch, and yeah, subscribe if you haven't already, obviously. Make sure you click the notification bell, and let's get into this video. So as you can see, I'm watching this video live as you're watching it as well, live. But anyway, I've done 3/4 of my hair already. I started off on blow dried hair, so if you haven't seen that video, please check that below. I will link it and give you a little snippet of what that looks like. Freshly blow dried hair, and I'm combing it out. As you can see, my roots are on a next level, like they're just doing its own thing, so I decided to give up. This is my lovely assistant, Riam. You can find her on Instagram. She does a lot, hence her tag Riam_does. She does hair, she's into fashion, she makes amazing custom hoodies. Not even just hoodies, they're actually full sets, but she's got a whole range of stuff that she does. And there's very few people that I trust with my hair, so hence why she gets the privilege to touch. I trust her. But anyway, one of the reasons why I actually wanted help, because I actually do hair as well, so I can do this myself, but I was very adamant that I wanted the lines and my partings to be perfect. And I know nothing can be perfect, but 2 hands are better than one. I mean, 2 heads are better. Well, they say Dangote doesn't have 2 heads, but you know what I mean. Having someone's help would be a lot better for me than just trying to DIY this thing myself. So as you can see, she's basically parting it into small sections, and these sections are no bigger. I don't think I have any parting on my head that's bigger than 1 centimeter squared. So yeah, she's doing that for me. I'm doing the ends, and here we are. So we've done the majority of them. I think she basically helped me to do the base, as I mentioned, because I wanted my partings to be clean, and I've just gone ahead to finish the tips. Because this is freshly blow dried hair, when I was in this state, like I was feeling it, but I wasn't feeling it. Like I wasn't really sure, if that makes sense, because it looks a bit thin. Then again, in my last video as well, you will also see that I basically mentioned a couple of times that, yeah, your girl is scared that her edges are falling out. Not just her edges, but my hair is thinning. So, continue to carry on, twisting the ends. By the way, guys, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell, and get involved in all this good stuff. Anywho, yeah, so I'm twisting my hair, and when I blow dried it, it was, I think it was about 21, 22 inches. I'll link the video again, but completed everything. And as I said, I was really happy with the way my roots were. I was actually happy with most of my hair, but more importantly, the roots. I just needed clean partings. So yeah, started off with the twist method, Microlocs. Here I am. Your girl has made the commitment. I'm actually really excited to share this journey with everyone. I won't say I had a natural hair journey, because your girl's been natural from day dot, obviously. But yeah, I think my biggest excitement was being able to put my locks, yes, I said it, into a top bun. This is me here doing that. But yeah, like I feel like a different person. I feel like I'm like an empress now. Queen Victoria, like I joke and I'm like, yeah, my name's Queen Victoria, but really I feel regal now. Anywho, same way I did when I blow dried my hair out, I actually wanted to do some measurements. So from the middle of my head, it's about 21 inches. This is probably the longest section of my hair and also the thickest. I then took a piece at the front, measured that out, and this is actually quite long for baby hairs. Like I said, it's not baby hairs anymore, it's adult hairs, but that was about 19 or so. 19, 16. I'll write it down. Anyway, the sides were 16. Yeah, so the front was definitely 19. And then the back, which is probably my thinnest, but they are my edges. They're about 13. There we go. And I was going to do this last one on the other side, but there's no point because it will mirror the left side or right side or whatever one I measured. One of the things that I'm really happy about, because I got help from Riam, was just around the fact that because I've got so many options for part-ins, I can literally do what I like. So yeah, my ponytail is long, my ponytail is swinging. The back, like I said, the ends are a bit straggly, but it's not. You'll see what I do to fix that. Stay tuned. As I said, guys, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe, make sure you hit the notification button, and once again, thank you so much for watching this video.